Let me show you what to do if your Google Pixel phone is not properly charging. So if you insert your cable, maybe it doesn't charge at all, maybe very slow, or maybe the charger doesn't even go fully inside. So the most common issue why this happens, you simply have probably something stuck in the charger port of your phone. So when you place your phone in a pocket, essentially lean from pocket can easily find its way inside here. And once you stuff it inside, the charger simply won't be able to make contact with it. Thankfully, there is very easy fix for it, and we can easily clean out the port. But first, let me show you actually how we are going to do that. So first, this is our Type-C port, and inside we have one strip, so the power connector strip right in the middle. The best way how to clean it is by taking a very, very small, tiny needle. So see just how small and tiny it is. The smaller and thinner you can get, the better. Again, if you have a very large one, do not actually attempt, because we can kind of damage the port. So how we are going to clean it? So we are going to insert the needle, while keeping at the edge, we are simply going to scoop out any junk that is inside there. So we are going to go along one edge and along the other one. And we do not want to touch the middle strip. Obviously, we do not want to damage anything there. So again, we're going to go only around the very edges. So let me turn on the flash. And so also obviously make sure to hold your phone like this, so all the junk falls out. So I won't be able to show you that, but see. Oh, also what you can do is you can take a flashlight and see what's actually inside in the charger port, and see if maybe you're seeing some junk basically inside there. So you see, mine is not actually totally clean, so I definitely need to clean it. So I'll take the tiny needle and simply scrape along the so simply scrape along the bottom edge and try to dislodge whatever is inside there. Again, obviously hold your phone like this so everything falls out, and repeat it on the other side. So there's something on the top of mine. So you see, I'm only keeping at the top. So you see, probably some lean from pocket. So you see, yeah, absolutely nasty stuff. Once it's clean, you should be even able to properly see the bottom of the charger port. So you see, I still have something on the bottom actually. So I'm simply going to scrape it. And also another good tool is a simple blower like this. So once you dislodge all the stuff, you simply keep your phone like this and you simply blow inside that hole. And it will essentially eject all the dust, all the debris out from there. And again, I suggest to follow up again with a tiny needle. So you see, it's pretty much good now. Okay, and follow up again. And also, you can literally take a toothbrush as well to help you. So insert simply toothbrush inside and simply brush it around to dislodge all the finest particles that might be stuck inside there. So either you can maybe blow in with mouse, or again, this is an excellent tool. It literally costs maybe like $1 only. And then it should be done. So if you try to insert the cable, so you see it goes inside all the way in. Also see how secure and solid this is. You can easily dangle it around and the phone stays absolutely still. Okay, good luck.